Okay, so we have a lawn mower, and it's rolling across a lawn with the force applied to it of 132 newtons along the direction of the handle. So the force is being pushed down toward the mower, and the angle that it makes with the horizontal is 16.4 degrees. If the lawn roller develops 72.5 watts of power and the time is 76 seconds, what is the distance the roller is pushed? Okay, so we're relating power and work. So the way this is going to piece together, we know that power is the rate at which work is done, so power is work divided by time. Now, if I move that around, I know what both power and time are. I don't know what the work is. So if I want to find the work is equal to power times time. Now, ultimately we're trying to find distance, and so since we're going to find distance, we're going to relate this back to the other equation for work. And the other equation we have for work, that is force times distance times the cosine of the angle between the force and the distance. So our displacement is horizontal. The force makes an angle that is at 16.4 degrees. So in this case, the angle they give us is also equal to the angle between the force and the displacement. Alright, so if I merge these two equations together, then what I'm going to end up with is power times time is equal to force times the displacement times the cosine of theta. And of course we're solving for the displacement, so we'll just move that around. That way we can do this in one step. Power times time, and we'll divide that by anything on the right side that we don't want. So we don't want force and we don't want cosine theta, so we're going to divide those to the other side. Since it's two things, again, it's a compound denominator, you have to put parentheses. Otherwise, you're not going to get the right answer. Alright, so my power is 72.5 multiplied by my time is 76. And I'm going to divide that by my force, 132, cosine of my angle, which is 16.4. Make sure that your calculator is in degree mode. If you're unsure, then use Desmos and make sure that you have the scientific Desmos, have degrees selected. Alright, so I need to put this in, 72.5 times 76 divided by parentheses 132 cosine of 16.4. So my displacement is going to come out to be equal to 43.51 meters, and that is my final answer.